the biggest migration right now is business management software or practice management software. It used to be this kind of Windows-based client server, Windows Server, SQL Server based software. And now like everything is web-based, specifically web, not cloud, because some vendors are taking their Windows-based SQL software and putting in hosted Amazon Web Services, but you're still logging into a Windows computer. And I definitely recommend against that, because you're not growing forward. You're just moving your problem from your office to the cloud.
Yeah. And a lot of, it's good you say that, because a lot of less scrupulous IT people will do that because they'll be able to manage those virtual machines and that virtual
Yeah, exactly.
environment as
We
a
make a
revenue
lot of
stream.
money managing those systems.
Yeah.
The classic server, we make a lot of money, but we are happy to we're transitioning our business model so that we are supporting all of these platforms and integrations, because integration is key now. APIs and integrations are key. So we're transitioning well and saying, no, what we can make, you still need somebody to manage all the boundaries of your business from a technological standpoint. Even though it's all on the web, the benefit is now you can hire the best resource to manage anywhere in the world, or in Hartford, Connecticut, to manage your web-based IT footprint.
Yeah. And a couple last quick points on that. And that's a good point too, as far as like a startup business. When you're starting your business and you might have like, all right, I got 3 months of quote setup, air quote episodes, like for me, it was, I had that period between getting my state like approval, usually takes like 3 or 4 months. So I could take the time to maybe do my own website, research phone systems or whatever. And then you have that point in time snapshot of what's right for you. But 6 months later, that's different. A year, it's totally different, because tech's changed, your business model has changed. So you might not think initially you need to outsource that, and maybe you don't because you're maybe tech savvy or you have the time, but eventually that goes away. So you want to be able to streamline that. And then the other thing too is that model, like you said, the old sort of Windows based and blah, 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 and the old model or physical location, that sort of pushes people to do the breakaway model, right? Because it's like, all right, I got these stuffy old advisors or these stuffy old attorneys. Do I want to buy into that and do some sort of, whatever? What am I buying? What's whatever? I'm better off to hang up my own shingle, take a few clients that want to follow me and do it my way. It's less expensive. I'm not doing some 20-year buyout for whatever. It's just the new construction is a lot easier than trying to fix old construction, right? We demolished a Walgreens to put up a CVS.
I live in a mid-century house, so yes, that is definitely true.
Right. But we see it all the time, and people say, well, why did they tear down that perfectly fine building to put up a CVS? It's like, yeah, because they have their model. They can come in and put that building up in 3 weeks, so it's just more efficient for them to do that. But from a small business standpoint, it's I think that's why both industries and probably other industries, it's just you're getting more breakaways just because of barriers to entry and the idea of buying into some legacy practice that you're going to have to change everything anyway, move on from. So